Good morning, students. Today we learn Unit 2, Avoid Plastic Questions and Answers. Who invented plastic? Alexander Parks invented plastic. What did he name it? He named it as Parksine. Why do people dispose plastic everywhere? As the plastic is cheap and easily available, people dispose plastic everywhere. Give reason for plastic pollution. Plastic is widely used. The dispose of plastic is also more when it stays on the Earth's surface for many centuries. It is long-lasting and is impossible to decompose. These are all reasons for plastic pollution. Where is plastic pollution seen more? Plastic pollution is seen more in cities. Where is the plastic so disposed remain? The thrown-out plastic remains in the soil in the same form as they are non-biodegradable. How does plastic cause pollution at every stage of its production? The chemical that is used in the production of plastic is toxic and can cause serious damage to all living beings. How long can plastic take to decompose? A single plastic sheet can take about 1,000 years to rot. How does it have a bad impact on the Earth? A single plastic sheet can take about 1,000 years to rot. It also has bad impact on the food chain. Plastic is one of the causes for global warming. I, Gayatri, solemnly promise to work hard, achieve and maintain beauty in my surroundings. With all efforts, with all courage, by this pledge, with great determination, I dedicate myself to make this place a better one to live in. Answer each of the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. Why is plastic widely used today? The common and wide use of plastic is mainly because it is inexpensive, it is long-lasting, and it is easy to make. This substance can be molded into any form by heating and it can be retained in the particular form when cooled. How does plastic cause environmental hazards? As it is cheap and easily available, people dispose plastic everywhere. Plastic stays on the Earth's surface for many centuries as it is long-lasting and is impossible to decompose. It ultimately causes enormous environmental hazards. What are the problems caused by recycling plastic? Even recycling of plastic causes problems. The worst thing is that recycling degrades the quality of plastic and demands the production of more plastic to make an original product. Discuss with your friends and compare your ideas with theirs about what should be used instead of plastic. You can't completely stop the use of plastic but can definitely minimize its production. For a healthy future, the use of plastic should be minimized at any cost.